Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the chlorinator cell for the Astral Pool. So here I've got the Astral Pool VX7T. So before you do anything, we're going to switch off the system. So switch it off. Make sure everything is switched off. And here to change it, we just have to pull out this cover. So this is my replacement right here. So this is the brand new one, genuine chlorinator cell for the Astral VX7. So we're going to take it out. Alright, here there is a clip at the bottom here. You just pull out and it should come off if you just pull hard enough. So there it is. Next we need to remove some cables here. So here you just need to pull out this cable, then the black and white cable at the top, pull it out. Just need to lift it up like this, and then you just need to twist this one to open it. So twist the screws, twist the screw cap, and then we take it out. And then we take out this blue cable, remove that. And next we need to disconnect this one, so turn it this way. Here we're going to turn it anti-clockwise to open it. It can be very tight, so just turn it open, open both of them. And open on this side here as well. Okay, once it is open, you can now just take out the cell. Now I'm just going to place it here, and we need to remove this cap here as well. Okay, so you can simply twist this one and open it. So here, just twist open and it looks like this. And then we can pull out this one. So it looks exactly the same. As you can see here, this is the replacement one, so we just need to pull it out. Okay, so it is a little bit hard, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these screwdrivers, and I'm trying to get it open like this, as you can see. So just go around, and then we can just slowly, and then we try to get it open. Okay, once you got it off, you can simply pull it out. So here it is, and then we can put on the new one. Now I'm just gonna loop it. So here we're going to use loop it, and we're gonna loop around the seal right here. So here I'm just gonna sway around here. Okay, once you have put on the lubricant, we can push it in. So probably need two hands to do this. Okay, so I have put it in. Now it's time to put it back onto the pipe. So we close up this pipe, this cap first. Okay, here I'm just gonna put it back on, and then we tighten it. Make it very tight so that the water doesn't leak. Next, we put the cable back on. So first the blue cable, and we screw this one back on. Then we do this cable here. This wheel here is kind of in the way, so I'm just gonna twist a little bit, make it some way here, and then we put this one in into the hole here. Okay, so now it's all connected. Make sure you connect this. If you don't connect this correctly, you might get a no flow issue. And finally, you can just close the cap. So just close the cap in. Okay, it's all connected. And we check everything. now you can just press on the pool mode to on and test it out. Make sure there's no leak. Just double check. If there is leaks, you need to tighten this right here. And there it is. It's manually on to 8 minus. And that's it. So it is now producing chlorine, and that is how you can replace the chlorinator cell. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.